friends, and a very warm welcome and namaste to each and every friend of mine who's watching this video. Well, today's video I'm making is to give gratitude and a token of appreciation and thank you to each and every government officer, to each and every politician, to Chief Minister, to Prime Minister. I want to give a token of thank you and appreciation to all the grocery vendors, to policemen, to doctors, to everyone who's out there risking their life just to keep us healthy, safe and fine. So this is a poem that I have written for them. Hope you guys enjoy. It's very disheartening to see what's happening to my world. It feels like some evil have spelled a cast full of curse. There is greenery everywhere, yet we can't go out and breathe some fresh air. There are speechless animals that are starving to death, but we are so afraid of our life to even go out and feed those strays. Rather, I'm seeing family who are abandoning their own pets. Where there is peace and stillness in water, where there is greenery in nature. Without a mask, we can't even step outside. We feel like we are in a cage, just like those animals in zoo we watch, just like those touch-me-not creatures. It's disheartening to see what's happening to our Mother Earth. Once upon a time, we didn't value her. We made her so ugly with pollution, bag full of plastic, stain, spit and dirt. Today it feels difficult to see how long we are gonna survive. Our politicians are standing strong for us, doing whatever they can to save each and every individual life. It's easy to point fingers on them. It's very easy to criticize. They have tried every possible way they can to save us. And they have kind of succeeded in controlling Corona. They have at least tried. Have you ever thought, what would they benefit out of us? That we always keep name for a government we always criticize? Who's working day and night out there just to keep us safe and fine? Looking at what's happening around the world, my heart is crying. Seeing every now and then in news someone is dying. Even those who are wealthy and suffering and struggling to save their own life. Their money is useless. Corona can't even get bribed. During this moment, I want to thank my family, my friends, my loved ones who are standing strong by my side. I wouldn't criticize, degrade, demean anyone. As you know what? This is not the right time. I would want to give gratitude to every doctor, policeman, grocery, pharmacy man who's standing out there to save us, risking their family and their own life. I want to thank our Prime Minister. I want to thank our President, our Chief Minister, our government officer, every politician who have stood united to save their city, their district, their country, and every life. This year will be remembered by each one of us who will survive. A small prayer to those who lost their life, their family, their children. Some even lost their husbands, some lost their wife. A small prayer for those who are in hospital fighting with death to get a new life. Even they want to survive. Let's be positive. Let's have a positive vibe. This time will also pass. And very soon, we're gonna have a corona-free world. With our happy new life and a happy tribe. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind.